Hi guys, this is the first of the series for the Casio fx-991ES and ES Plus calculator. So this is the basic calculator which is used at all your engineering colleges, and if you want to change it, there will be similar structures for all Casio calculators. You just need to find out where the respective number or button is. So moving right ahead into it, today's uh, video will just comprise on the most basic parts of the calculator. Let us start off with shift. So shift basically handles all your yellow button keys, and alpha handles all the red button keys, which is the base modes of all this. Then uh, moving to the next part, once you've learned about that part, I would like to show you something before we actually reset the entire calculator. For example, I do 16 divided by 3, which will give me, so this button S to D is basically decimal to fraction, and if you put shift S to D, it will give you mixed fraction to fraction and vice versa. So I have rounded it off. The calculator has already been pre-programmed to round off to 4 decimal places, as you can see. Now we are going to round it off completely. We are going to clear the entire calculator. And where does this come into help? The new calculators are very buggy. And to reduce those malfunctions, there have been cases in my own exam where I had to reset the calculator where it was showing 1 plus 4 is 8, which is clearly not correct, guys. So for that, we are going to press shift and we are going to press 9, which denotes control. So every time you press shift, the shift button gets activated there. So, and this is the mode which is created. Now we are going to clear all, which will which we have to press 3, then press equal to, and then press AC, which will give us this value. Doesn't look like a lot, but it will show a huge difference when you see the function ratios. This is how the new function ratio comes up. Obviously, it is not rounded off. Now let's understand how to round it off. The round off function is shift and this button, which will take you to setup function. Now in the setup function, we need fix, which is the sixth number, and we are going to set it to 4 digits after the decimal point. Now let's try it out again. And it's back into its original format. Now the third part, majorly used in statistics, is the frequency of data. Generally, if you check, the frequency of data is not an actuator, but and you will have to individually add it on. So for that, you have to go to stat mode, shift, then setup, and then stat. So once you go here, you have to go into stat mode. So for that, press the down arrow, and then there is 4, which will take you to stat here on frequency, and that will create the frequency table. These are the basic ideas which you have to already be pre-programmed, and every time you reset the entire function, you have to reset each individual value present here. Thank you.